Okay, guys, the investigation was repeated using, okay, same time of aquatic plant at 10 degree, lower temperature. Guys, remember, lower temperature, lower rates in general. Okay, it has to be at the bottom. So your graph should be like this. Remember, yeah, in general, the rate will be lower. So this is E. Okay, all right. Do you have to explain each point? Do we have to explain each point or any point can first? Any point can first increase the rate. We don't like the increase in rate. What do you mean? You can. Yes, you can. Oh no, why? This is not described, guys. Okay, since you guys asked, very good. Thanks for asking. Explain. Explain means that you have to explain your biological facts. Why is it like this? If you mention increasing, become constant, all those are describing the graph. Okay, good question. Understand? Okay, this is February March paper. Why CO2 is the limiting factor? Okay, I'm waiting for you guys to ask actually. No one asked, then I will just move on. Okay, listen here. Always remember, it's fixed already one. When you see this kind of graph, okay, at the beginning, your x-axis will always be the limiting factors. I repeat again, yeah. Your x-axis at the beginning will always be the limiting factors. Why? Because it will limit the rates. You guys look here. When CO2 is low, the rate is low. When CO2 increase, the rate increase. Right or not? So CO2 is the one that limit the rates. Okay? So always remember that. Why the graph cannot be straight? What do you mean? No problem. It can be straight. It can be curved. Okay? They won't penalize you. They just want you to show that the rates are lower in general. Then what about temperature and light intensity? What do you mean? Biograph always straight line? No. It can be curved. What are the keywords when asked to describe? Okay, later. Next question that will be describe and explain. How do you know that light and light? Oh, I just explained just now. There's only three things: carbon dioxide, temperature, or light intensity. If carbon dioxide is not the limiting factor anymore, then temperature and light intensity will be the limiting factors, vice versa. Okay, if it's not this, it's definitely these two. Okay, welcome. Okay, all right, guys, as you can see, no matter how much carbon dioxide that you have, you cannot increase the rate anymore. Means that the carbon dioxide is no longer the limiting factor when it becomes constant.